Hello YouTube, it's a nice morning, about 9:30 in the morning. This is my wrecked barbecue. Make a long story short, I had this on one of those cheap white plastic folding tables that you buy at your local whatever store. It was given to me and it was bowed in the middle, but the person had used it and I had this barbecue setting on it. Well, I went to grab a hold of one end of the table and kind of move it, and it collapsed. And it ripped the bolts right out of the plastic. They got a white plastic, they got a gray metal frame with them levers that lock the legs. So beware, don't put no weight on them. It had a bow in the middle. Well, the bow was probably with it because it was starting to fall apart, but it damaged it quite a bit. I had another handle on here and I broke. I put this one on it. I got so disgusted I just put it in the shop. It will not set straight. This was all tight when I bought it. I am putting stainless bolts everywhere if I have some that fit. So, we're going to get it apart. The next video you'll see is when it's done. Needs a lot of work. This does have a stop to keep that from slamming back. Here's how you load these. That's why I got it. You load up a charcoal, start on fire and shut it. And it was a pretty good stove to use if it was windy out during the drought conditions. I haven't got much barbecue much the past few years, so we're getting into this. This is made to go on the side of those big barbecues. You can use that as a smoker box. See that? You take this off, this whole plate. Disregard any reviews where somebody said they burned the paint off it. It is not a wood stove. I read one. It's not a wood stove. It's a smoker box. So if you got any hotter than a barbecue, well, you're wrong. It's not a wood stove. Okay? It's a smoker box or a barbecue. This was $60 probably 3 years ago. Now they're $100 because I just checked about a week ago. So stay tuned for the next video and you will see this all cleaned up and fixed. Thank you for watching. What gauge would you put on it? That's too big. This is a bold smoker grill. If you're still watching, we decided to do this. How's that look? That's good to know. That's what I thought. That's what we're going with. That's too big. That's too much bling. Save it for something else. Oh, found at a Fleet and Farm store, so good luck finding one now.